My blue balloon, my blue balloon flies so high, so high. I jump up high, I jump up high, but could not catch it away, but could not catch it away. How many colors in a rainbow? How many colors do we see in a rainbow? Count and you shall know. Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange, red. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. I counted now, I know. Sea sound, I walk on the beach and pick up a shell and held it close to my ear. And what did I hear? Roar, swash, roar, swash. The sound of the sea I did hear.